Hey guys, so we're in the middle of our taxes right now, and I just had this big epiphany that we don't talk about taxes very much in this business, but it's very important. So, as a Beachbody coach, you are responsible for your own funds and your own taxes every year. So, if you make $600 or more in the calendar year, then you're going to be mailed a I-099 form, and you file that in addition to your W-2s as a third-party business because you're an independent contractor according to the federal law. Last year in 2000, well, I guess last year, I keep saying that because we're doing 2015 taxes, but in 2014 I didn't really pay attention to my taxes very much, and I got lucky and ended up on the positive end because of our two full-time jobs and a couple of the expenses that I had, like a computer. But this year we are owing a lot more, and I'm glad that I had saved the way I did in 2015. I didn't realize that our business was going to build as quick as it did in 2015. So what I was doing is I had a SunTrust account, and I had every single Thursday I would get paid, and I would always transfer 40% of what I made into a savings, and I didn't touch it. And that helped me because even though I might have been on the 20 percentile tax rate or 30 percentile, we would have that extra funds just in case we're in the 40, which is one of the highest amounts. I don't think, to my knowledge, that you would ever be spending or paying back the taxes for more than 40%. I think that's the highest one, but I just wanted to be careful with it. I would start saving right now if you're planning on growing your business. Anthony did not get an I-099 this year because he was under $600 in income. But for anybody that's selling on a regular basis that are reaching Success Club every month, I would start saving now 40% into your account. And that will help you at the end of the year. In addition to that, you need to keep all of your expenses. So all of your miles that you drive to and from events, all of your meals that you have with all of your potential coaches or clients, any power hours that you do at a Panera, for example, keep those receipts. Any events that you go to, including Summit, keep all your receipts, your flights, your hotel receipts, everything that you possibly can. Also, keep all of your records, like all the things that you buy. All of that is pretty much available on your Coach Online office. So if you ever do forget to save a receipt, you're fine because all of the order information is already online. Gosh, I don't really know what else. Personal development books, your workout gear that you buy, any improvements that you do to your home gym. You can write off part of your internet, your phone. You can write off part of your rent or your mortgage at your house for doing your business. Any computers that you buy, any phone that you buy for your business, your phone bill. Did I say that? I think I did. Anything pretty much that has to do with your business. Anything. A notebook, a folder, file system. If you hire somebody to do a logo, that's all tax deductible. An app that you buy like PicLab or PicMonkey, all of these are really important things to keep track of because at the end of the year you can actually deduct that from your taxes, and hopefully you'll be out on top. But like I said, 40%, I would actually get on that. I actually just opened up a free account with a free debit card with SunTrust last year, and like I said, everything comes in and out of that account. It doesn't get blended in with my personal money anymore. So all of my Shakeology, all my products, everything comes out of that account, and I never touch my personal money onto our Beachbody account unless I absolutely have to, which means I don't have my debit card with me at the time and I really need to get something, things like that. Any challenger gifts, that's another one, or gifts that you give your coaches. But I would, if you're planning on growing, I would definitely look into getting a separate bank account, free. Don't pay any money for it. Make sure that you have a debit card, not a credit card, because you don't want to end up messing with your credit unless you really have to. I would not do it. I'm just getting tired. I'm bouncing right here. And also get a savings so that you can just transfer all your money 40% every single Thursday. And then once you get into a system, you'll remember that you need to keep doing it, but it'll become routine. Gosh, I don't think I really have anything else right now, but it's really important too, because Anthony and I are on our like 5th hour in our taxes right now, and the majority of that was dealing with our Beachbody business, because all I did was I had all my receipts and I just put them in a folder. Well, and I don't look at them for a while, and now we're having to sort it back out. Such a pain, but we're getting there, and we owe a lot. So I just really need you guys to understand how important this is as well. You are an independent contractor and you are responsible for your own taxes. So if you have any questions at all, just let me know and I'll help you through it. This has been my 2nd year going through these taxes, and thankfully, like, I don't have too much owe yet, but when we become really big and we become like top coaches, then we might find that we're having to owe taxes that are like bigger than a car. I have heard of coaches paying taxes that are like what their first house was in the entire mortgage. Which, I mean, at the grand scheme of things, yeah, it's a lot of money, but you're also making a lot of money, so it's, oh well. And I should actually put a caption on this that says that Beachbody does not guarantee any level of income at all. Everything depends on your diligence, effort, and skill. So it's really up to you. You're an independent contractor from Beachbody. You are your own CEO, and you're responsible for everything of your own self. So if you're making more than $600 a year, you really need to start thinking about taxes. And again, I'm here for you. If you have any questions, let me know.